Okay, this is the new website. There's a lot of it, so let's start. So this is LedgerFlow. It's a web-based invoice processing system built with ASP.NET, Core and PostgreSQL database. Users can securely upload PDF files which are stored and processed asynchronously by the background worker. After upload, the system extracts structured data from the document, including vendor time, invoice data, subtotal, tax, and total amount. The platform then runs automatic financial validation to detect issues like missing tools and mismatched tax calculations. Processed invoices appear in the dashboard where users can review extracted fields, see validation results, filter by status, and manage invoices. All processing is handled server-side with a clean architecture, separating upload, background processing, extraction, validation. So basically, we have this is the website. We have the authentication system. These are the pages that we can visit. In the invoices, we have a list of all the invoices we have uploaded. We can delete the invoice, we can view the invoice. This is the document, I'll be referring to the document later. Okay, I can delete it. Okay, this is the upload invoice, only accepts PDF files. These are a little bit testing pages, simple counter, and this with the dummy data is weather summary in table format. So there are a lot of pages and a lot of code written here, so I'm going to be just focusing on two files. This is the invoice controller and invoice processing worker. So let's start with the invoice controller. Basically, that is the secure API layer that handles invoice upload, storage, listing, document preview, detailed retrieval, and full deletion, while integrating database persistence and the background processing queue. Okay. So we have the statements here in on the top, what options, what modules we will be using. These are the controller. This is of course, the namespace. How we can find the file. These are the controller attributes. We use the API controller, authorized access, of course, for all of the pages. Okay. These are the only fields, the only files that we are able to use, the application PDFs. Here we have the private fields. Here is the constructor for the private fields that we can use these fields in our code. The upload action. We are checking if the file is not null, and the length of the file, the size of the file is not zero. It's not zero. We ensure that it has the correct file length, max upload bytes, so the file isn't too big. Okay, these are the extensions. We get extensions for the file name. In the app data. Okay, here's the user, we get the user ID. Okay, storage file type. Okay, what else is important? File length, we did that. File times. We are here rejecting unsupported files. We get the return request with the message. Upload folder. This is the upload folder. Create directory. Generates stored file name. This generates a new random file name with a bunch of letters and numbers, so we don't get collisions. We are saving here file to disk. We're creating a new invoice, a new class. This is the invoice document. Get the file name, storage file name, file length, and invoice ID for any invoice. Okay, and then return it. Okay. This is for the tasks. List actions. We got a lot of it here. Here this is the task where we get all the invoices back. We get the list of invoices, basically. Okay. Let's just fields. Okay. This we are creating the list DTOs. This builds a response object sent to the UI. It has invoice ID, created time, status, vendor, and the total, all of that stuff. Okay. This is actually the detailed invoice DTO. Build detailed invoice DTO. Okay. So let's check. Okay. This is for the delete button for us to delete the invoice. Before that was viewing the invoice. These are little helper functions. Okay. There's a lot of code in here. Let's go. That's basically it. And there's another file. Invoice processing work is the background engine that takes queued invoices, loads their PDF files, extracts structured fields, validates the extracted data, stores the results, and uploads each invoice to process, need review, or failed. Again, we have the services that we'll be using. Actually, they're not services, but code blocks to help us code using certain statements. We have the namespace. This is the general class invoice processing worker. Okay. These are the private fields. Required fields we need for the invoice. Again, constructor. This is the main loop for the task. It runs continuously while the app is running. And the stop token is used to stop the work cleanly when the application shuts down. Here we have the logger. This is the invoice processing method. It processes the invoice from start to finish. We have the yup. I don't know what to say anymore. Here we are loading the invoice from the database, checking if the invoice is not null. with the login messages and the status of invoice. Is it pending? Has it been reviewed? Marking as processed. We're picking the latest attached document in this try block in here. If the document's not missing, the file path, extracting fields here, removing existing validations issues, and all of that. So yeah, basically that's it. The last thing we didn't do is the upload invoice. So we choose a file from our system. This is the same file that we used before. We uploaded, we have the detailed invoice, preview, no validation issues with the extracted fields. Go back, view, yeah. So basically that's it. Okay, till the next time, see ya.